Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to take you through a quick way of revealing the Wi-Fi password on a Windows 11 PC. So stick and stay. Very quickly, very easily. So the first thing is to click on the wireless icon or the Wi-Fi icon, and then you can see that it's connected to this particular wireless or Wi-Fi network. So beside the Wi-Fi icon or the wireless network icon, click the arrow to reveal all the available Wi-Fi networks, and then the one your PC, the Windows 11 PC, is connected to. In this case, it's connected to Tech PBA Wi-Fi. So right click on it, the one you want to reveal, and then select properties. This would bring up the Wi-Fi properties window. So scroll up, you can see the scroll bar at the very right side of the window. Scroll up to see the Wi-Fi network properties. So you can see Wi-Fi network password. Click on the show to reveal the Wi-Fi password. You can also scan the QR code shown there to connect to that particular network. But in a previous video, I also took you through how to reveal the password that is on a Windows 10 PC. It also works on this version of Windows, which is the Windows 11. Open an Explorer window. At the navigation area, right click on network, select properties to open the network and sharing center. In there, click the Wi-Fi name to open the Wi-Fi status pop-up window. Click wireless properties, select security, and then select the show character or show characters. The user account control icon beside the show characters checkbox indicates that you need administrator rights to show the password for the wireless network or the Wi-Fi network your Windows 11 PC is connected to. So if you don't have admin rights, you cannot reveal the password to the network. So click the show characters checkbox to select it to reveal the password. So yes, guys, that is that for how to reveal the password on your Windows 11 PC. Kindly click the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye.